Here are the ingredients for this creepy insect pancakes. I am determined but slightly clumsy. With an egg, 15 grams of sugar, a pinch of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 60 grams of flour, a nozzle bottle to make the drawing of batter go smooth and handy. Let's begin. For the liquid, we will have 20 grams of coffee to boost the whole thing up. A comedic adventure awaits. For culinary perfection, my mixing bowl and this kitchen scale. Culinary perfection achieved. Hey there, pancake enthusiasts! Get ready for a hilarious and mouth-watering adventure with me. Today, I'll show you how to create the most entertaining pancake designs that will leave you in stitches. Trust me, it's going to be a pancake extravaganza. I've been playing with pancakes for what feels like ages, perfecting this recipe to bring you nothing but pure joy. And guess what? You can join in on the fun too. In the next 12 minutes, I'll guide you through a pancake journey that's been making me laugh for months. But wait, there's more! If you've got these incredible pancake nozzles, consider yourself in pancake heaven. I have some leftover Starbucks. You're about to unleash your creativity. A pinch of baking powder so that it tastes crispy for fun, just like doodling on a canvas. Remember, the key is to make your pancake designs uniquely yours. A pinch of salt to elevate the batter. By the way, a big shout out to YouTube Shorts for providing this incredible platform. I can synchronize my videos with awesome music. Oh, behold majestic egg, the foundation of our culinary masterpiece. Its humble shell contains a universe of possibilities ready to dance harmoniously with other ingredients. Prepare yourselves for a mind-blowing experience in the realm of flavors. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to witness the most epic egg and flour fusion, creating dramatic, symbolic, or downright fun effects with those tiny time indicators like 1.2 seconds or 0.8 seconds or 0.8 seconds. Each step of pancake, cute, funny, so entertaining. Let's whisk. Now let's talk flavor and color. I love enhancing my pancakes with coffee to give them a unique twist. It adds a delightful taste and a touch of color. But if coffee isn't your thing, feel free to experiment with vanilla or other flavors. Just remember to keep the batter light. Here's a pro tip for you all. Place a finger on the tip of the nozzle, preventing any spillover of the batter all over the place. Here is my studio, behind the scenes setup. Finally, I choose her.
Buzz, your girlfriend. Woof.
Grab your pen and let's create some pancake magic. Start by adding a bit of oil to create a non-stick surface. Then let your imagination run wild. Think of simple shapes and objects to begin with. Remember, it's all about having fun and get those creative juices flowing.
Pancake.
Stay tuned for more exciting pancake adventures, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. But before you go, try out these pancake designs for yourself and share your creations in the comments below. And remember, the sweetest moments in life often start with a pancake. Subscribe for more step-by-step pancake making videos. All right, it's time to share the secret. To add a burst of flavor and a touch of magic to your pancake art, I present to you a sprinkle of powdered sugar. This simple addition will not only enhance the taste, but also create a captivating visual effect. It's like a sweet surprise, waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this pancake extravaganza, check out these other delicious recipes and fun pancake adventures on my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a flipping good time. Thanks again, and see you in the next video. Here's a pro tip. When cooking, adjust the heat level. The first level requires a bit more time, while the second level needs less. This way, you avoid burning your batter. Trust me, it's all part of the fun pancake making process. Get ready to laugh your heart out. I can't wait to show you how I bring these pancake masterpieces to life. I've been doing this purely for fun, not to become a master chef or anything. It's all about sharing the joy and the occasional viral dance moves.
Wow.
So, whether you're a pancake enthusiast, a culinary artist, or simply someone who loves mouthwatering delights, we invite you to be a part of our growing community. Together, let's celebrate the joy of cooking, share our passion, and create delicious memories. Thank you for joining us on this incredible pancake making journey. Stay till the end, show your support, and let's continue to spread the love for pancakes. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!